Hey there, I'm Drew Barantini, VP of Product at Scite, and I want to walk you through some updates that we've made recently to better unify the entire experience for you. So if you go into Assistant or Search or any of the core feature sets that we have, you're going to get into a new unified application structure. So we're going to see here there's no top header anymore. We just have this left sidebar. Feels more like an app that you can use like you're used to using in other places and other tools. And we have your assistant experience. You have links to search, our new Scite MCP that you can connect. We also have the More menu updated to include your profile information, your dashboards, your reference checks, saved searches, and alerts. And in this bottom section underneath new chat, we have your recent chats. You can look at all of your chats if you need to, help, feedback. If you ever need to give us any feedback at all, it's one click away. That goes straight to us, and we review all feedback that comes in. And then the user menu, which was over in the top right. But once you're in this experience where the sidebar is over here, you're going to have it down in the bottom. So you're going to have access to your feed, your subscription information, your account settings, and then the ability to sign out. These other two are related to internal tools that we use on our team. And in the More menu, if you click on My Profile, that's where you're going to get to the profile experience with that same sidebar for your bio, your publications, your metrics, and claiming papers. So we've considerably cleaned up the profile experience to bring it closer to what happens on Assistant and Search and other parts of the product. And we wanted to make this more streamlined. And then on the search side, we've also unified that same experience on search so that you can look at information like papers, citation statements, metadata, which has always existed across the literature, but also being able to look at patents. So if I wanted to select patents as the search mode and look for something related to patents information, I could run that search and I'm going to get that result set back in the same unified search experience that we have today. You can filter this down. You can change it however you want to. You could look at a recent search that you've had before, and you can go through that information and see it in the same context you've always seen it. You can analyze results, create a dashboard from these results, create alert, you can export the results. All this information is happening in a new unified workflow that feels really consistent across Assistant, Search, and now all your profile information. So we're really excited to continue to roll this out, unify the experience so that you can have a more workflow driven experience across all of the tools. So if you're running an assistant query and it turns into a search, you want to save that search. If you're doing something on your dashboard or inside your profile, there's a lot of really interesting things you can do as part of this workflow. So we're continuing to improve this and modify it over time, but we're excited to get any feedback. So if you have any, please click on feedback down here and send us any and all feedback that you have. Thank you.